Welcome to Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, and here's a great RV from our giant selection of motorhomes, fifth wheels, and trailers. This beautiful travel trailer comes equipped with front bedroom, pleated shades in living room and dining, dual bedroom nightstands, bathroom toilet, 2 entrances, outside storage including a full pass-through compartment, residential grade carpeting, overhead kitchen storage, double door refrigerator, electric awning with LED lights, fire extinguisher, front rock guard, 3-burner range, bathroom tub shower combo, vanity with sink, overhead storage, rear bath, lower kitchen cupboards and drawers, smoke detector, outside entertainment center with TV and speakers, trifold sofa sleeper, mirrored wardrobe doors, entertainment center, single slide, walk-around queen bed, high-rise faucet, flush mount gas range cover, U-shaped dinette, double kitchen sink, solid surface kitchen countertops, living area television, electric stabilizer jacks, power tongue jack, bathroom cabinet with mirror, pull-out spray faucet, entry grab handle, carbon monoxide detector, decorative wood plank flooring, sleeps up to 6 people. Bayou Outdoor wants to get you ready for outdoor fun with a boat or RV of your dreams. We carry over 200 new and used motorhomes, fifth wheels, travel trailers, toy haulers, folding campers from some of the most popular brands. Stop by today or visit us online at BayouOutdoor.com. Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, providing savings, selection, and service for over 40 years. Welcome to the family.